Hello students, myself Anup Walkar and we are studying chapter inverse trigonometric functions. In that chapter our today's topic is principal values of inverse trigonometric function. For that first we have to remind that trigonometric inverse trigonometric functions table in which domains and range are given. फंक्शन है साइन इनवर्स एक्स, डोमेन है आपका -1 से 1 और रेंज इसकी होती है -π/2 से +π/2. कॉसेक इनवर्स डोमेन होगा आर माइनस ओपन इंटरवल -1, एंड रेंज विल बी -π/2 टू +π/2 -0. ज़ीरो इंक्लूड नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि ज़ीरो पे फंक्शन डिफाइन नहीं हो रहा है. टेन इनवर्स में डोमेन है रियल नंबर एंड रेंज इज -π/2 टू +π/2 इन ओपन इंटरवल. कॉस इनवर्स -1 to 1 and range is 0 to pi. Sec inverse range real number minus open interval -1, range is 0 to pi minus π/2 and cot inverse की domain है a real number and range is 0 to pi. Now we are going to solve some questions for principal values. First question is sin inverse 1/√2. Sin inverse 1/√2 and 1/√2 is the value of sin π/4. So we can write sin π/4 in place of 1/√2. And now sin inverse of sin theta is theta. We learn that formula. Sin inverse of sin theta is theta. The sin inverse sin π/4 is π/4 and π/4 belongs to -π/2 to +π/2. So here your principal value is π/4. Our second question is sin inverse -√3/2. The sin inverse of minus theta is minus sin inverse theta. So minus sin inverse √3/2 minus sin inverse √3/2 can be written as a sin π/3 because the sin 60's value is √3/2. So minus sin inverse of sin theta minus as it is, and sin inverse of sin theta is theta. So value is minus π/3. So π/3 is the part of minus π/2 to π/2. So it is the principal value of sin inverse minus √3/2. Next, cosec inverse 2. 2 is the value of cosec π/6, cosec 30, and cosec inverse of cosec theta is theta. So π/6 is the element of minus π/2 to π/2. So π/6 is the principal value of cosec inverse 2. Next, cosec inverse minus 2/√3. So cosec inverse of minus theta is minus cosec inverse theta. So minus cosec inverse and 2/√3 can be written as cosec π/3. Π/3 is the value of cosec 60. 2/√3 is the value of cosec 60. So minus cosec inverse cosec theta is minus π/3, and we know that minus π/3 is the part of minus π/2 to π/2. So principal value is minus π/3. Then tan inverse √3. √3 is the value of tan π/3. So tan inverse of tan theta is theta. So our principal value is π/3. Next, tan inverse of -1. So tan inverse of minus theta is minus tan inverse theta. तो माइनस टेन इनवर्स एंड 1 की प्लेस पे हम लिख सकते हैं टेन π/4. सो माइनस टेन इनवर्स ऑफ टेन थीटा इज माइनस π/4. तो π/4 इज द जनरल प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ऑफ टेन इनवर्स -1. नाउ cos inverse 1/2. 1/2 cos in 1/2 is the value of cos π/3. So cos inverse cos theta is theta. तो थीटा की वैल्यू कितनी हो गई π/3. सो π/3 the element of 0 to pi. Now cos inverse minus √3/2. You have to find the value of principal value of cos inverse minus √3/2. So cos inverse minus √3/2 can be written as pi minus cos inverse √3/2. We have learned that cos inverse of minus theta is equal to pi minus cos inverse theta. Pi as it is, minus as it is, cos inverse as it is, and √3/2 is the value of cos π/6. तो pi minus cos inverse cos π/6 and cos inverse of cos theta is theta. So pi minus π/6 is LCM लेके सॉल्व करेंगे तो कितना आ जाएगा 5 π/6 and 5 π/6 the element of 0 to pi. Here theta is π/6. So general principal value is 5 π/6. Now sec inverse √2. Sec inverse √2 is what? Sec inverse and √2 can be written as sec pi/4, and sec inverse of sec theta is pi/4. Again pi/4 is element of 0 to pi. Next, sec inverse of minus 2. So sec inverse of minus 2 can be written as pi minus sec inverse 2. We learned that formula sec inverse of minus theta is equal to pi minus sec inverse theta. Then pi minus sec inverse and 2 can be written as a sec 60, sec pi by 3. Now sec inverse of sec theta is pi by 3 and we can write it in the pi minus pi by 3 can be written as 2 pi by 3. So pi by 3 is the element of 0 to pi. So principal value of sec inverse minus 2 is 2 pi by 3. Now next question are given here, cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. See, cos inverse of minus theta. Cos inverse of minus theta can be written as pi minus cos inverse theta. Then sin inverse of minus theta is minus sin inverse theta. So cos inverse minus 1 by 2 is written by pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2 and sin inverse minus 1 by 2 will be pi plus minus minus. So minus sin inverse 1 by 2. Then pi as it is, minus as it is, cos inverse as it is, and 1 by 2 is the value of cos pi by 3. Then minus sin inverse and 1 by 2 is value of sin 30 means sin pi by 6. So pi minus cos inverse of cos theta is theta, that means pi by 3, and sin inverse of sin theta is theta, so we can here is pi by 6. So our equation is what? Pi minus pi by 3 minus pi by 6. Now take LCM of 3 and 6. LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. तो 6 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 5 का पाई का 6 पाई माइनस 6 में 3 का डिवाइड करेंगे 2 पाई देन 6 को 6 से डिवाइड करा तो 1. तो यहाँ बच जाएगा 6 पाई माइनस 2 पाई माइनस पाई. 6 पाई में से 2 पाई जाएगा तो 4 पाई. 4 पाई में से पाई जाएगा तो 3 पाई. सो 3 पाई बाय 6. 3 से 6 को कैंसिल करेंगे 2 आ जाएगा. सो पाई बाय 2. देन पाई बाय 3 किसका बिलोंग करता है 0 टू पाई को, और पाई बाय 6 किसको बिलोंग करता है 0 टू माइनस पाई बाय 2 टू पाई बाय 2. तो हियर योर सॉल्यूशन इज प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू इज पाई बाय 2. नाउ next question is tan inverse 2 cos of 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. See, tan inverse big bracket 2 cos of 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Now tan inverse as it is, 2 as it is, cos as it is, 2 as it is, sin inverse as it is, and 1 by 2 can be written as sin pi by 6. Now sin inverse of sin theta is what? Sin theta. Sin inverse of sin theta is theta. So we can write tan inverse as it is 2 cos 2 as it is, and in place of sin inverse of sin pi by 6 we can write pi by 6 only. अब 2 से हम 6 को डिवाइड कर देंगे तो क्या बच जाएगा 3. तो यहाँ हो जाएगा tan इनवर्स 2 cos pi by 3. नाउ tan इनवर्स 2 इंटू 1 बाई 2. क्यों 1 बाई 2? क्योंकि cos pi by 3 की वैल्यू कितनी होती है 1 बाई 2. तो वी कैन ये राइट ईयर 1 बाई 2. 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो क्या बच जाएगा 1. नाउ tan इनवर्स ऑफ 1 एंड 1 इज द वैल्यू ऑफ tan pi by 4. तो tan इनवर्स ऑफ tan थीटा इज theta. So your answer is pi by 4, and pi by 4 is element of minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Thank you very much.